welcome to day 8. I am a couple days behind because on day 6, after dinner, I went to take a nap at 6:30 p.m. I got up at 9, maybe 10, to take off my makeup, and I went back to bed thinking that I would wake up again. And I didn't. I slept throughout the whole night. So then the following morning I got up at 6:30 a.m. and I got up, I took out the dog, I hung out with him, played with him for a bit, and then I started cleaning. There was so much to clean on day 7. I vacuumed because I didn't vacuum for like 2 days. There was so much dog hair. So I vacuumed, and then I did all the dishes that had been piling up from ice cream night. So there was all of that, and then I had my nieces over for another game night, and it was a ton of fun. My husband made amazing dinner for us. And then today, Sunday, January 8th, I got up and I went to my sister's house to babysit for a couple hours. And I came home, and my husband and I had some food together. I think we had lunch together, and then we watched a movie. We watched The Menu on HBO Max. It is a horror movie of sorts, like a psychological horror movie. And then after that, I just did like 2 loads of laundry, finished washing the dishes, and I'm just outside with Dwight right now. And then we're gonna go to my sister's house to drop off some food that she had wanted, and that's it. We're gonna call it a night. Like a lot happened this weekend and a lot didn't at the same time, but I'm glad I was able to hit some of my goals and cleaning and whatnot. And I really like doing this. It keeps me accountable, and I like coming home to like a clean house, and like just a little bit every day makes a huge difference. Like I feel better already. So I'm glad I'm doing this, even if no one's watching, once again, because I have to remind myself me doing this is for me and keeping me accountable. But thank you for joining, and have a good night.